wait for me to call you.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Not now, not in this.
Is there a time frame that I'm going to be waiting to hear your call?
You're going to be waiting as long as I say you waiting. Now stop. Do we have a cross fifth on Castleberry and Ellis, or those cases have a different announcement?
Judge, on behalf of Mr. Castleberry, we are hoping, and he is prepared, but I haven't spoken to his attorney, so I can't confirm that.
Okay, he said he sent his phone number by chat, I guess.
I didn't see it. I tried to chat to him. I didn't get a response.
Yeah, I saw it too. Let me.
Oh, maybe I'm just blind. That's probably the case.
Let's see. Yeah.
Hello?
I'll send it to you. I'll see it in the chat. I'll send it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Can I communicate with someone?
Sir, what is your name?
Who are you?
This is Austin Castleberry.
All right.
And Mr. Castleberry, we spoke via phone. Hang on one second.
All right, I'm going to send it to you, Attorney Taylor.
There's a big misunderstanding here.
Because you have Did you hear me, Attorney? I'm going to send the number to you because you have your separate computer, okay? Or Attorney Ford. All right.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Castleberry, I'm going to give you a call.
Please call Mr. Castleberry because he doesn't understand what the process is.
No, I spoke with someone, but there's a big misunderstanding here. I need to speak. Okay, I'm sorry. I just.
Sir, you spoke with me. I was
yes
to represent you. If there's a misunderstanding, let me call you back and we can clear up.
Okay, please call me. Yes, please call me.
Calm down, sir.
Okay.
Your Honor, brief announcement.
Yes, Mr. Ford.
Thank you so much. Ms. Ellis and I have spent a lot of time talking about her situation, and I regret to announce that she is not going to resolve the case today by a plea, but is desirous of requesting a trial.
Okay, well, that sounds like what Mr. Castleberry is saying, because he's yelling.
That's not what I'm saying.
Okay, Mr. Castleberry, be quiet, please. So, all right. So, if Ms. Ellis,
I would suggest, Your Honor, rather than we put it down on a calendar call date where you can resolve cases, I'm still cautiously optimistic this can get resolved short of us picking a jury.
All right, that's fine. So we'll go ahead. Mr. Castleberry, you cannot influence Miss Ellis's conversation.
It's my fault. It's not her fault at all.
Mr.
Castleberry.
Jesus Christ.
Sir.
First of all, sir, I'm gonna need you to show me your face. If we're gonna have an argument,
I'm trying to show. I'm not arguing, Your Honor. But what?
There is a way that this goes, Mr. Castleberry, and you're trying to shortcut it because
I'm not trying to do. Your Honor, please. I am not trying to shortcut anything.
And stop cutting the judge off. She's trying to talk to you.
Allow her to
speak.
I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, so Mr. Castleberry, you and Miss Ellis are two separate individuals. Okay, I get that you think you're trying to help, but she has the right to proceed in her case any way she wants to within the bounds of the law. And if she feels like she wishes to have a trial, then you're yelling and saying it's a misunderstanding. That's not going to make a difference. She has to understand the case from her perspective and make choices based on what she wants to do, based on the conversation and information she's received from her attorney. That is her right under the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of Georgia. Even though you think you might be doing the right thing, that has nothing to do with the decision that she makes for her case. Now, you can make whatever decision you wish to make in your case, but please don't try and impede her from making whatever decision she feels is right for her. Do you understand?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right. Now deal with Mr. Lynch about your case.
Okay.
Your Honor, obviously, in the event Mr. Castleberry resolves his case and that inspires the state to so dismiss Miss Ellis's case, then of course.
I mean, that's fine with me if that happens, but at this point.
Well, that's the direction I was going. I thought we was going in that direction.
Mr. Castleberry, please wait. I'm going to contact you and I'm going to explain what's going on. And I would hope to get that result, but you please stop talking out in court. It's not helping you.
Okay, can you call me? Can you call me now, please?
Yes, sir. I'm in the courtroom and I have to be here for these announcements. What I would ask you to do is mute yourself and wait for me to call you.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Not now, not in this.
Is there a time frame that I'm going to be waiting to hear
Mr.
your call?
Castleberry, you gonna be waiting as long as I say you waiting. Now stop. Now you just you're doing
Okay,
too
ma'am.
much right now.
No. I mean,
Your case is not
it was a
taking
stupid
precedence
question.
over anybody else's case. Wait your turn. He's
That's not
already
what-
spent like 15
that's
minutes
what I meant.
talking to you. Be quiet.
Okay.
He's gonna call you.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay, Your Honor.
What
Mr.
is going on, Mr. Ellis? But Mr. Castleberry is trying to get back to you by any means possible. You make the best decision for you. Okay.
We're going to,
If
maybe
that's
we
a not
do-
guilty at this point,
Yes.
Mr. Ford, that's fine. Miss
it
Ellis,
is, Your Honor.
all right,
Thank
I'm
you.
recording you're not guilty. Miss Ellis, I believe that you have bond conditions in your case that would require you to not have contact with a particular individual. Review your bond conditions. Make sure that you do not have any contact, not even through a third party sending you a message. You understand? And because if you did, you could be arrested, have your bond revoked, and you could spend the rest of your time in jail until your case is resolved. And you could also be charged with additional misdemeanors or felonies. So I just advise that you not have any contact with Mr. Castleberry or anyone else listed on your bond conditions until such time as you're released from that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and Ms. Ellis, make whatever is the best decision for you, because Mr. Castleberry shouldn't even be contacting you or calling you or having any connection with you at all. So if he does, he also is subject to having his bond revoked, to spending the remainder of that time in jail and possibly being charged with additional misdemeanors or felonies. Do you understand, Mr. Castleberry?
I completely understand, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ellis, you're free to go at this time, ma'am.
Thank you for your time, Your Honor.
In touch with your attorney.
Okay.
All right. So Mr. Lynch will call Mr. Castleberry in a moment. I have remaining on the calendar McKinley, Jameson, and Moorfield.